Hey guys, welcome to another amazing drawing. This one is going to be super fast and super easy. So I'm going to start with a nice little squiggly line on the inside here, on the middle, sorry, just like that. And I'm going to go in with two colors. So I've got this like a beige, and I'm going to use this one. It's a little darker. Okay, so let's go in with this one first, the darker one first. And I'm going to follow this line, this squiggly line, and recreate it going like so. Can you guys see that? You can't see that. Let's go with a darker color. Okay, so I'm going to squiggly line, recreating that squiggly line like that. Okay, and I want it just a little thicker. Right, like that. I'm going to use this same color, just make some lines like this. And then with that lighter color that we used previously, I'm going to color it in here. It would have been easier if I just colored it first and then did the lines. So you can feel free to do that as well. Almost done. We've got three more. All right. And I have that lighter color here. I don't know if you're going to see it very well, but I'm going to just color in the middle in this lighter color just because I don't want it to be 100% white. I want it to be like an off color, like a cream. Yeah, see? Now you see the difference. It's showing a lot more than before. All right, so now what we're going to do is from the sides, I'm going to come down like this, do like a curve and go back up to the side here. Okay, I am going to do two eyes. So you've got one, two. Super simple eye, you do a circle and another circle. And you just color around. Around. Like that. Okay, I'm going to do the mouth. So you do a small smile and a big smile. Tongue and color inside the mouth like that. And I'm going to color the tongue in pink. Like that. Now everything on the outside of the eyes, I'm going to color in brown. All right. And if you have a darker brown than this, keep it close by because we're going to need to add some details. If you don't, you can do it with black. I'll show you how to do it with the black because my brown is super dark. I'm going to color with the next side. All right. Now coloring is going to take some time. So guys, feel free to pause the video and stop to color. You can also fast forward to the end. Color, color, color. Almost done, guys. To the end. All right, there you go. Beautiful. Now we got to add some details. So I'm going to use my black marker and I'm just going to come down from here with some lines that are not so connected. So dashes, basically, a little more, like so to the center, just like that. All right, and guys, before we finish, at the end here on the outside, you just want to put some little lines, like so, not too many, very random. And there you have it. We've got the cutest little coconut. I hope you enjoyed this one. I know I did. I, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.